students. I hope you must be enjoying your holidays. Students, you have got this book, that is Lab Manual of Maths. For 7th standard we have planned certain activities which you have to write in your manual. Activity number 11. You are not supposed to write activity number 11. Activity number 12. The name of activity is to verify the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. That is on page number 33. Next activity, activity number 13. To verify experimentally that in a triangle, if two sides are equal, then the angles opposite to them are also equal. That is on page number 35. Students, two kinds of pages are there. One is line page and one is blank page. What you have to write on line page, what you have to write on blank page, I am going to explain that. Moving towards activity number 12. Objective: to verify the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. You have to write on both pages, line page as well as blank page. Material required also you have to write on both pages. Rest all you have to write on these related knowledge, skill related, procedure, observation. You have to write on line page. These figures you have to paste. Whatever activity is there, I am going to explain you that you have to paste on white paper. That is on left hand side, this page. Now what you have to do is, this activity I am just going to explain you. You have to draw the quadrilateral ABCD. You know what is quadrilateral? Four-sided figure. ABCD you have to draw. You have to mark angle 1, 2, 3, 4 with different colors. Okay, suppose angle 1 as red color, angle 2 as green color, 3 as blue color, 4th as another color. You can take different colors as well. Now what you have to do is, after that you have to mark a point O on the center of the white page and just cut out angle number 1, 2, 3 and 4 from this quadrilateral and paste it here. Angle number 1 like this you will cut out, that you have to paste like this. Angle 2 cut out, you have to place like this. 3 as this, 4 as this. This will form a complete angle, that is 360 degree angle. So this was the activity, and viva voice you are not supposed to write. You have to write till observation. Now moving towards next activity. Activity number 13. The objective is to verify experimentally that in a triangle, if two sides are equal, then the angles opposite to them are also equal. Same procedure. Objective, material required you have to write on both pages. Related knowledge, skill needed. Procedure, observation you have to write on line page. This figure you have to draw or paste. I am just going to explain you on white page. What you have to do is, take a paper and these two sides should be equal. You have to mark angles B and C like this. The length of these two sides should be equal. Now what you have to do is, you have to fold that paper along this line, one side. Then an imaginary line will be there, that will be AD. From this side AB, again fold the paper, then this line will be common in that AD. Here you can mark and you will see that this angle B will coincide with angle C. It means angle B की measurement जो है that is equal to angle C. It means angle B is equal to angle C. This side opposite angle is this. The angle opposite to side AC is B, and the angle opposite to side AB is C. So this activity proved that angle B is equal to angle C. In the same way, no need to write viva voce, you have to write till observation. I hope students you will enjoy these activities, and please don't simply draw. You have to make cutouts of, you can use drawing papers, colored papers, glazed papers, or you can use white papers and color them, and do this, means show your creativity through this. I hope that is clear to you. Enjoy your holidays. Thank you. Bye bye.